Hi, my name is Tidarat Kamundra, but you can call me Guitar. Meow, meow. Yeah, I'm 19 years old. I'm a nursing student. I study at Chiang Rai Ratchapat University. I have a twin sister. Her name is Plain. My mom and my dad, they are divorced. So my dad got a new married, and I don't know something about my mom. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about my stepmom. She is a delivery food. Her name is Guy, and I have a little brother. His name is his name is Gon. My dad, his name is Somkit. He is a mechanic. He work at Golden Pie Resort. Yeah, and my granny and my grandpa, they're passed away for many years. I live in Chiang Rai. Yeah, my family live in Chiang Rai, and me and my sister live with my granny and uncle. But now I'm in dormitories. Yeah, university's dormitory. I have a roommate, but she's not here. Yeah. Her name is Amy. Uh, my twin sister, she studied at Faculty of Education. She's an English teacher, and my little brother, he is, I think, 12th grade now. Yeah, we're 7 years apart. Yeah, and I'm gonna tell you about my hobbies. I'm, it's reading. Yeah, my hobbies are reading, singing. Yeah, maybe sleeping too. Yeah, I'm really love Nam Nhiều, and I'm interested in languages. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you.